Good morning, girls. Today, our topic is family Ranunculatae. It is from plant taxonomy, and we will discuss about the families of dicotyledons. And Ranunculatae is a dicotyledonous family. According to Bentham Hooker, classification for Ranunculatae family is dicotyledons, Polypetalae, Thalamiflorae, Reynolds and Ranunculatae. And according to Hutchinson, classification is dicotyledons, Herbaceae family, Reynolds order and Ranunculatae family. First of all, we will discuss or we will see the diagnostic features for the Ranunculatae family. All members are herbs. Leaves एक्स-स्टिपुलेट प्रेजेंट होती हैं. Incised blades. शीथिंग बेसिस, बेस शीथ से कवर रहता है. फ्लावर हाइपोजिनस होता है, हाइपोजिनस. स्पाइरल और स्पायरोसाइक्लिक सेपल्स. क्लाइक्स एंड कोरोला फ्री. स्टेमेंस indefinite. फ्री कार्पल्स पॉलीकार्पिलरी. एंड फ्रूट मिलता है एग्रीगेट टाइप का फ्रूट मिलता है. नाउ कम्स टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. इट इज कॉमनली नोन एज बटरकप फैमिली. बटरकप के नाम से फेमस है फैमिली. एंड इट इंक्लूड्स 35 genera and 1500 species, out of which 163 species are confined to India. They are chiefly found in temperate or Arctic regions. Now comes to vegetative characters. You know very well vegetative characters and the reproductive characters. Vegetative characters. Habit. The plants are annual or perennial herb, or maybe climbing shrubs, rarely trees. They perennate by means of tuberous roots और rhizomes present भी हो सकते हैं और tuberous roots. Now root, taproot, adventitious root और tuberous. Ranunculus species में tuberous. And the taproot system is in the initial stage, but sooner or later replaced by the adventitious roots. Stem. Herbaceous stem is present. In some climbing or underground species, rhizome or erect or branched. Leaves generally simple, alternate or opposite. X-stipulate but rarely stipulate. Sheathing leaf base. Petiolate, rarely sessile. And in some aquatic species, leaves may show dimorphy. Dimorphy मतलब two type of morphology is present. Unicostate or multicostate. Reticulate venation. Now comes to floral characters. Inflorescence. Inflorescence means arrangement of flowers on the plant or on the herb. Solitary terminal. सॉलिटरी टाइप का फ्लोरल अरेंजमेंट मिलता है. एक्सिलरी और रेसीम. एस्टिवेशन कौन सा होगा? रेसीम एंड द साइमोज. फ्लावर पेडिसिलेट, ई ब्रैक्टेट, रेयरली ब्रैक्टेट मिलता है. हर्मेफ्रोडाइट, यूनिसेक्स इन थैलिक्टम and mostly ectomorphic in ranunculus. Rarely zygomorphic. Hypogynous, complete and the pentamerous condition मिलती है. Now comes to Cliax. There is no distinction of Cliax and corolla in the most of the flowers. Sepals 5 in number. Polysepalous condition and petaloid. Imbricate और velvet estivation मिलता है. आपको सारी टर्म्स इम्ब्रिकेट, वेलवेट, कितने टाइप के एस्टिवेशन होते हैं सब क्लास टाइम पे बताया हुआ है. पूरा इसका टर्मिनोलॉजी ऑफ टेक्सोनॉमी बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है. टर्मिनोलॉजी ऑफ टेक्सोनॉमी. देन वी came to Ranunculus family or Ranunculaceae family. Corolla, petals 5 मिलते हैं. Polypetalous condition, variously colored. Petals are united to form spur. इसमें बोलते हैं जब आपस में जुड़े रहते हैं इस कंडीशन को हम स्पर बोलते हैं. Nectaries are present at the base of petals. Now comes to Androecium. Stamens indefinite in number. Polyandrous condition is present. Spirally arranged on the thalamus. Inferior anthers. Diathecious, two-lobed. And extros in condition. बाहर की तरफ टर्न रहते हैं. Extros बाहर की तरफ टर्न रहता है. Now comes to Gynoecium. Polycarpellary condition. Apocarpus, rarely syncarpus. Superior ovary is present and marginal placentation is present. Now we will study about fruit. एग्रीगेट फ्रूट टाइप मिलता है. एंड सीड, स्मॉल ऑयली एंड एंडोस्पर्मिक सीड इज प्रेजेंट. पॉलिनेशन, जनरली एंटोमॉर्फिलस टाइप ऑफ पॉलिनेशन इज प्रेजेंट. एंड फ्लोरल फॉर्मूला, K4 to 5, C5, A alpha indefinite and Gynoecium indefinite or inferior type of ovary. Superior type of ovary is present. Then comes to economic importance of this family. Medicinal value. The Acutinum, Herophyllum, member of this family, yield a number of alkaloids, especially aconitine, and this is used in acute and inflammatory diseases. The roots of Thalicterum yields mamira, which is used in ophthalmia. Anemone pulsatilla is mostly used in feminine diseases and in gastric diseases or disorder. पल्सेटिला obtained from the anemone, पल्सेटिला स्पीसीज से मिलता है, एंड इट इज़ अ गुड मेडिसिन फॉर द मेनिस्ट्रुअल डिसऑर्डर, मेनिस्ट्रुअल साइकिल डिसऑर्डर में बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है दिस मेडिसिन. सिम्सीफुगा रेसिमोसा gives the black snake root containing resins, and this has been recommended for the treatment of cholera and the nervous pain. Helleborus nigra and Helleborus foetida produce several glycosides useful in purgatives in veterinary practices. And now we will study about the ornamental uses. Some of the plants are cultivated in gardens for their beautiful flowers. Ranunculus, Delphinium, Naravilia, Clematis, Nigella, etc. These are cultivated for their beautiful flowers in our garden. And there are some common plants of this family, just like Acotinum, Clematis, Delphinium, Ranunculus, Nigella, and Thalictrum. We can sow or we can cultivate these plants in our garden also. So this is all about the family Ranunculaceae. Thank you.